Welcome back to another stream. I hope you guys are having an unbelievable Tuesday morning over here. So am I. Finally got a good night's sleep. My face is starting to dry out though, so I'm trying to lather it up with Aquaphor so I don't start peeling and it starts to hurt again. So, team, it's CPI Eve. We have a very, very interesting day ahead. We easily could do a little bit of chop. We do have some Fed speakers today too. But what people are really going to be looking out for is what the hell is going to happen tomorrow when the CPI data comes out. So, today, we're going to be having Goolsby at 1:30 p.m. That's really all that's happening during market hours. 6:30 p.m., we get Harker. And then at 7:30 p.m. today, we get Playboy Kari. And then on Wednesday, we get CPI, as we were saying, more Fed speakers, and the FOMC minutes. So the Fed minutes are tomorrow, which is very, very, very interesting. And CPI. Then Thursday, it doesn't stop. Producer price index, core PPI, PPI year over year, core PPI year over year, and a jobs report. Then Friday, we get retail sales minus autos, import price index, industrial production, capacity utilization, consumer sentiment, all in one day. After today, it's just data. So I'm going to be a little bit more risk off this week. I was telling you guys this in the stream last night that it made more sense just to kind of take your hands off and relax a little bit. Really, really go for those base hits. Take that low hanging fruit because, well, if the data is going to move the market all over the place or not at all, well, we have to be prepared for that. But team, make sure that you guys are slapping the literal living fuck out of the like button on the way in over here. It helps spread the word of what we're doing over here. We're the only ones helping retail investors actually make money in the market. You're never going to see this stuff anywhere else. So guys, if you wouldn't mind, if you want to help more people who have been led to the slaughter on other places, make sure you guys drop a like here. Helps out a whole lot spreading these videos out to those people. Also, guys, I have some very, very interesting series of videos coming out to you guys, and they're starting tonight. So get ready for that. I'll give you a hint. It has to do with Rita. So I have a video series kind of tied into Rita, and that's going to be coming out at 6 p.m. Eastern tonight. So get ready for that. That's going to be really cool. Let's see. What are you saying, 6'4"? Smash that like button. Smash subscribe. Share with your friends. Joanna, how you doing? Let's see. Good morning, all. Let's print again today. Dude, we will. What do you think we're going to do over here? Dr. Bob, what up, buddy? When recession? I mean, we're already kind of in one. We'll see. The data's been looking decent over the last few weeks here. So if the data continues to look good, I wouldn't be surprised if the data looks good this week, I wouldn't be surprised if the market went to 420. SPY to 420, I don't think would be out of the question if all of the data comes out relatively good. Let's see. Oh, the moneymaker. Oh, my face. Oh, guys, you guys saw this yesterday. I'm sunburned. I'm very sunburned. You guys saw the announcement in the Discord too. You guys got to pay attention. You guys have not been paying attention. Pay attention or pay a premium, guys. You got to be aware of all these announcements coming out because, again, you guys missed those announcements. Sorry, there's no more 3-year. You can get the 1-year master tier, though. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys know where to go on your subscriptions page. I have an awesome midweek masterclass prepared for you guys tomorrow. But, guys, that video is going to be dropping today. It's going to go out on Rumble first, about an hour or so before. So make sure that you guys are ready for that. But again, remember, everybody on the sidelines over here, everybody gets over 90% off to the Trade 1348 platform. Guys, you see the amount of success that our members are having. You see me, you see Gabe, you see the Ritas, everything. Come see why thousands of people are having so much success in the market every single day. Or keep doing what you're doing, losing money in the market. That's perfectly fine too. But if you want to come and actually take your trading seriously, you know where to go. QR code on the screen. But let's see. When are we going to get Mark Douglas to join the morning lives? Do we need him? I mean, I give you guys some crazy psychological. I mean, yeah, that would be pretty cool if we could get Mark Douglas. I could see if I have a connection to him. I probably do. It's like somehow, some way, I probably know someone that knows him. I mean, that would be difficult for me to pull off, but that would be pretty cool. Good morning, SVN family. Took a week off to recharge. Guess what? Nothing's changed. Market's still here. Have a great day. Nicky Ricky. There you go, buddy. Woo, baby. Guys, we are basically 15 likes away from 50 already. You guys are crushing it. All right. Let's go through some of these tickers over here. So SPY's basically flat, up 42 cents right here. A little bit volatile in the pre-market, but nothing too crazy. Tessie up about 1.2. Nancy over here about up 0.35. I wouldn't be surprised if the chip makers, if the market runs today, has had another good day. I mean, AMD over here was up 3.26 yesterday. Up 0.2% this morning. Netflix, what the fucking shit is going on here? I just saw Netflix doing nothing. All of a sudden, it's up 1.52%. There you go. Coin over here was up a little bit with the Bitcoin move. Coin was up 7.63% yesterday, up another 3% in the pre-market this morning. I'm very pissed that I sold my coin calls when this drop happened. I just had a bad entry. I mean, if I waited a day, I would have nailed this coin move. But I mean, again, it's all risk management. Stopped out of that one. That's perfectly fine. That's like the one swing out of like the last 8 that I got stopped out on, which is fine, man. I mean, again, those other swings have killed it. You guys saw the Salesforce one. That was awesome. The swings have been really awesome. No swings for me this week just because of all the data, but next week or Friday, maybe I'll start setting some up. Good morning, Daily Taylor. How you doing, buddy? All right, guys, keep slapping that like button on the way in. Keep running those numbers up. You guys are crushing it. Let's have another good day in Print City. Welcome to the best place to learn to trade, man. For all of you guys that are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. But we do have some very interesting videos coming out. Gabe's got some videos coming out. We're gonna start cranking some videos out too. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. I hope you guys are ready. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit more insight into Rita, some of the back tests and everything like that. Oh boy, I hope you guys are excited for that one. It's gonna be cool to actually show you guys kind of the success of some of the algorithms that we've been building, testing, and using. So you are thinking soft landing? No, I don't think soft landing. I think this situation is going to be pretty icky for a while. But I think the market is going to just price in soft landing in terms of like they're not really going to care. Think about it like this. Banks failed, SPY's at 410. Inflation is still hot, SPY at 410. We see any semi decent news, market's probably going to run pretty significantly. I mean, if there's really bad news that comes out, I mean, again, the bank news is pretty fucking bad, and we're still right back where we were, 410. Crazy, man. So we're at a weird spot in the market where, I mean, it's almost like any good news could just send this thing flying. Like my overall internal bias is kind of flipped in terms of like, oh, this thing's just gonna tank versus, oh, it could definitely start melting up here. Does that matter for my day trades? No, it doesn't. I don't really care. And on the swing trades, like I will still nail those put side trades. But it just depends on what data is happening, where the market actually is, where it's getting extended. So right now, back at 410, this is a little bit extended here. I mean, we've seen price here. What was it like last week? Sold off of these levels back down to the low 400s. If you're able to break above this zone here, I mean, look at this. You throw this on the daily. What are we looking at? I mean, it's just chop zone. Back here, we were at 418. This was February, beginning of February. You've just kind of been chopping around in here, man. Like 409, 408, 412. Like you've just been chopping around, just waiting to see what the market actually wants to do. 4 hours probably going to give you a little bit of a better picture. Yeah, right here, you've been chopping. I mean, we were chopping down in here too, but this is what, 388. This is the beginning of March. So, I mean, we were just up here. We sold off a little bit, and now we're just waiting for the data. The reason why we're waiting for the data here, guys, is this right here. So if I refresh this page, and we go for this. Yeah. So now they're pricing in a 25 basis point rate hike in May. So if the data comes out really good, maybe this will flip, the market will run, but this is what's happening right now. So this is really what the market's looking at in terms of data. This is kind of a reflection of what market participants are going to position themselves for going into the interest rate or the Fed meeting in May. There's no Fed meeting this month, so we're waiting for basically the data to come out to show us what is most likely to happen in May. That's why this week is so big. Good morning, DC Fan for Life. How you doing, buddy? But all right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Make sure that you guys all have notifications turned on for this channel too, because we are about to start posting a lot more videos. Same thing with Rumble. I don't know if you can turn on notifications for Rumble, but if you guys can, see, I don't really even know how to like use that platform yet. Like I sort of do. But yeah, do that over there too, because that video about Rita is gonna go out on Rumble first. So that video is recorded, ready to go. It should be going out around, well, on Rumble, it's probably going to be a little earlier, but on YouTube, 6:30 Eastern tonight. Let's see. Be nice to Rita. I'm very nice to Rita. It's not with, it's like sort of, it's different, Algo. It's not like the data that we've done. It's like slightly different data that Hot Potato was able to like, it's in TradingView. It's pretty cool. There's a lot more data that you can just pull and like stats on it where you do it in this way. It's pretty cool. And what it's trading is fucking funny too. You guys will like it. The whole thing that this thing is trading, I won't tell you what it is yet. You'll have to find out in the video. But the whole thing that it's trading and the way that it does it is hilarious to me. But dude, these algorithms are fucking insane. Like absolutely nuts. The fact that we've been able to do this in less than a year is ridiculous. Just imagine where we're going to be in another year. You guys now have thigh gap, traffic lights, the 24, the clap. Oh my god, guys. Imagine where we're going to be a year from now. Just keep making everything better for everybody. Woo! I love it. I love it. But let's see here, team. We got about what 20 or 35 minutes to go until open. Oh, we're almost at 50 likes. Thank you, team. I appreciate it. Keep running those numbers up. Oh, you guys are nice in the morning. You're behaving. I like it. I like it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on over here? Let's see. Morning, 1348 fam. What up, team? How we doing? Dude, we are going to have some fun. Oh, dude, we are going to put a big focus on new educational videos for you guys, too. Oh, I hope you guys are ready. We are about to take things to the next level. Also, if Nico's in here, I don't know if Nico's in here yet. But Nico, I use your intro. I did put some music to it, but I did use your intro in the video. It's fucking cool. Let's see. All right, Tessie. Dude, my face just feels like tight. Ah. Oh, that's not what we want. My face just feels like tight. You know? You know how that goes? And Tessie could get interesting here. Netflix, I don't know what's going on with this thing, but this is interesting. Coin could be a fun one today. AMD and Nvidia, Tessie. I mean, you guys know the deal. You guys know what I'm looking at every single day to trade. Microsoft was fun yesterday too. Same thing with Facebook. So call those out, guys. At open, I can't see everything. Remember, like I can see most things that I have up here, but if you see something aggressively popping or aggressively knifing, call it out, and we will. I mean, we're gonna get the thigh gap going on it because that's essentially how we're using it. But it'll be fun as usual. Make some more money in the market and then get the fuck out. Easy, 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 team. All right, folks. 3 likes away from 50. Ooh, I got some of you affiliates that I got to approve. Roll. There you guys go. Shout out to you guys taking it into your own hands, making some money, spreading the good word of 1348. There you go. Let's see. No, Chad. No. We have a guy called Nico in here. He's from Canada. Let's see. What do we got here? What's on what do we have on Twitter? Is there anything useful coming out on Twitter, or is it just people leading themselves to the slaughter? Let me check the feed. ISS recommends Bed Bath & Beyond share brokers vote for all company proposals. Bed Bath & Beyond, piece of shit. GM to lead 50 million Series B funding round for Energy X. Yeah, nothing crazy. Major cryptocurrency Bitcoin breached the key 30,000 level for the first time in 10 months on Tuesday, adding to its steady gains as investors raise bets that the U.S. Federal Reserve will soon end its aggressive monetary tightening campaign. Oh, I see. Dude, the Fed pivot is going to be like altcoin season. It just is. Like you're going to see like the dollar just like start to tank a little bit, I think. You probably won't see the dollar strengthen, and you might see a wild altcoin season. Bitcoin, Ethereum are probably going to go a little bit there. But it's going to be after that initial drop of basically saying that the Fed needs a pivot, which could come, I believe, at the end of this year, which is still about when we're looking at that TLT trade. Where else can people work for 2 hours a day and just have the whole rest of the day for passion pursuits? I don't know, man. I don't know. That's what we do around here. I don't know what these other clowns are doing. Good morning, Vix. I did a thing, y'all. Curiosity, but those traffic lights looked interesting, and I love them. Easiest money I've made yesterday. Bless you all. Hope you have a good day. TTF Cole Rookie Broski. Atta boy, buddy. There you go. Yeah, dude. Traffic lights are the truth. Wait till you get your hands on thigh gap. If you ever decide to hop into the masterclass, dude. Ooh, I've got some gems for you with thigh gap. But yeah, traffic lights are filthy, bro. I don't know what people are doing right now that aren't trading with traffic lights. Like you see it too. It's like, yeah, you tried it out. It's the easiest money you've made. Yeah, it is. It really is, man. Shout out to you, buddy. Shout out to you. And again, guys, everybody gets access to all aspects of platform over here. $5 for your first month. Use code Print City. Just through that link in the live chat for all you guys on the outside there. It's nasty, dude. I mean, you can join or not. Like, we're gonna continue over here sitting in Print City making money every single day. You want to join us? It would be in your best interest. Let's see. Let's see. We got our coffee. What is going on, bro? A lot of alerts coming through. A lot of them. Ooh, hold on. YouTube to charge as much as $450 or $449 a year for Sunday ticket NFL package. Whoa. IMF forecast 2023 global real GDP growth at 2.8% versus 2.9% in January. Forecast world economic outlook. Interesting. I don't have a financial advisor. You're talking about the people that I know? I haven't talked to them about the yen. I haven't talked to them about the yen, or not the yen, sorry, the won. I haven't looked at it. But I have seen what I see. Here's the thing: when everybody's talking about stuff like that, it makes me feel like it's just nonsense. We've talked about this before that a lot of these countries have way more to lose than gain by switching these currencies around that they're transacting in. Like if the US then comes in and says, like, if they switch and they go, okay, fuck you, we're not going to do this for you anymore. Well, then that country has more to lose. So I don't think a lot of these countries are actually going to do it, besides like Russia, China, and a couple of these other ones. So I don't think it's that big of a deal. It could be eventually, but I wouldn't worry about it too much right now. Can I look at AMD around 10:30 where we first went dark to light? You got stopped out when it back dark. How would you have played it? Yeah. 10:30. This 10:24. Okay, this is just a stop out. This is literally just a stop out for barely a minimal loss. That's all it is. So you see this here, it comes down to the 13. You get this candle. Okay, cool. It bounces up. You go light dark, stop out. But look, you're out when you at the same price. This is why the thigh gap is so good because the loss that you're taking on this trade is literally like 2%. Like it's not like this is barely a loss. Which is good. That's why I like thigh gap so much because it allows you to keep the risk tight. So I would view that trade as a win. The risk reward here after this giant move on AMD is really good. You get this candle. Okay, cool. It goes dark to light. You see this RSI is cooked. All right. Everything looks good. It doesn't quite make the move and you're able to get out at basically break even. So I don't view that as a bad trade at all. I view that as a really, really good showcasing of risk management. Let's see here, though. Netflix is doing something here. SPY slipping a little bit. I mean, it's at this 200. Amazon tanking? What's up with Amazon? Yeah, Amazon slipping here. That's interesting. Hmm. Ooh, guys, we have about 25 minutes to go. Make sure you guys keep slapping the literal living shit out of the like button. It helps out a whole. Oh my god, we have about 100 of you slackers in here that haven't hit it yet. What is going on, team? Y'all are being slackers this morning. Okay, thank you. Yeah, Ant-Man. That's a good stop out right there. Because when you think about it, and that's the thing that you have to be comfortable with when you're trading with thigh gap in the way that I've taught you, the stop outs are going to be really tight. You don't let that trade go 10% because the whole point of it is so that either you can catch this move down to the 13, scale out, let this thing maybe trickle to the 48 or these levels down here. But if it doesn't, you're out at basically break even. And that's why thigh gap is so powerful because the risk reward on all of them is just nasty. It's just disgusting, dude. Morning, team. What up, Tor? How you doing, buddy? All right, guys. Oh, you guys are starting to crank up a little bit here. There's still about 100 of you that haven't hit it yet, though, which is crazy to me. I thought you guys were my people. I was wrong. Let's see. IMF forecasts. Oh, wait. Fed Williams, we will see some slowing in demand for labor, but still high. Inflation still way above our 2% goal. Thanks, Williams. Fucking brilliant right there, pal. Absolutely brilliant from Williams. Yeah, inflation's at 6%, whatever it is, but that's well above 2%, which is our goal, which means that we're not there. Fucking thanks, dude. You're like a kindergarten teacher over here. Morning. Oh, hot potato. You get a little shout out in this video that I'm posting later. So, a little bit of an announcement for those of you guys that are coming in right now. The video that I'm posting later today, it's going to be on Rumble and YouTube. So, if you guys have notifications on Rumble, that's great. If not, make sure you guys do that. Have notifications on for YouTube. We have a little bit of a Rita video coming out tonight. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit more of an insight into Rita or into some of these algorithms and what they're able to generate than you guys have actually seen before. I'm going to make a couple of series of these videos of a couple of the different iterations that Hot Potato, Algo, and I have been testing around a little bit with. But I think you guys are really, really going to like this. And there's some really awesome, powerful, like psychological trading lessons in that video as well. So make sure you guys do that. It's going to be a fun one tonight. You didn't hit it until 7:30 a.m. Sorting sin? That's perfectly fine. Oh, there you guys go with the likes. There you guys go. Now I feel slightly loved by my YouTube live chat. There you go. Let's see what we get though, team. Dude, I'm like shocked that I still have like some amount of energy. Didn't really sleep Saturday. Flew in super late Sunday. Slept a little bit last night, and now we're here. Fucking cranking. Alert settings for TradingView? What do you mean, Dave? Well, what do you mean? I mean, I'm gonna show you on TradingView like how it looks in the back test and stuff and what these algorithms are able to generate over time. The funniest thing though is what it's doing. I'll give you a hint. It has to do with me. It has to do with me and a specific thing. And you guys will like it in the video. I feel like you'll like it. You got to show some more ankles and the likes will come flooding in. Yeah, you guys get to 500 likes, then you see ankles. Until then, no ankles for you. All right, Tessie. What are we going to get here? Nancy, nothing. Yeah, I mean, again, you guys know it's patience. Patience at open. Wait for the market to make that initial move. Watch the thigh gap. Nail the moves back. Some news came out yesterday about PC shipments down 30%, and they don't expect things to correct until 2024. So keep an eye on PC stock puts. PC shipments, could that affect semis? SV had a Rita chip implanted into his brain. Yes, the side effect is you look like you have a giant amount of sunburn. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I feel like that could affect chips. I mean, Intel is probably going to get hit by that, Microsoft, things like that. Good morning, SUV and the team. What up, Kelly? How you doing, buddy? Hopefully you guys are having a good morning. Dude, I got to adjust my camera a little bit. It's a little high because when I crouch down, it's like I'm barely in here. I got to like fucking sit up straight, which sucks during the day the whole time. Oh, ready? Maybe. Oh, you guys are really going to like this video, I think. It's going to be fun. Make sure you guys have notifications on. That video is going to be out later today. It's going to be cool. It's going to be really cool. I'm going to start making some videos like this for you guys, just showing you guys that some different versions of algorithms that we have, how successful they are, maybe some that aren't it, like some iterations that we've tested that maybe aren't, so you guys can see like the testing process. It's going to be really cool. And there's always going to be trading lessons in there too, guys. It's not just like, hey, look, algorithm. This one's a lot about psychology too. Which I think a lot of you guys struggle with. So get ready for that. CPIs tomorrow. Yeah, got to get you a high chair. Bro, okay. You guys, okay. You're making short jokes. I'm 6'2". I just look short. All right, I'll adjust this really quick right now. Give me 2 seconds. This is nonsense. This is nonsense. Hold on. There you go. That should be good right there. Yeah, now when I lean over, you guys can see me. Oh, there we go. Looking forward to it. There you go. I'm not huge. I'm just not short. I feel like that's how I feel being 6'2". I'm not huge, but I'm just not short. Like that's just when I wear my boots, I'm tall. Just imagine what we'll come out with a year from now. As we add more data and strategy, we have some really cool stuff in development in the lab. Oh, yes, we do. Oh, yes, we do. Remember, guys, everybody in the outside right now gets their first month for $5. So if you guys want to come in, test it out, get the strategy for yourself, all the alerts, real-time unusual options activity, QR codes right here. The links at the top of the live chat too. So again, just use code Print City and you get your first month for $5. It's cheaper than a cup of coffee, bro, at Starbucks. LKG, no. There's a couple of reasons for that. One, we would have to jump through a lot of hoops in order to file and like register its stuff, which I don't want to do. The second thing is, if I wanted to manage other people's money with algorithms, I would have just done it. It's a different level of nonsense that we want to do that we don't want to deal with. But again, you guys already have every single alert that's Reed is taking throughout the day. We've gone over this before though. Plus, when you think about it too, if there's too much money flowing through one of the Ritas and they're trading options with not that much time to expiration, there's then becomes a liquidity issue and you move markets, and I don't want to have anything to do with that. An ETF, maybe. That would be a little bit better. I don't know. If I wanted to manage other people's money, I would have just done it. You know? Oh my God, we are 7 likes away from 100 likes already in the pre-market. Holy shit, team. White platform boots like Rick James. Rick James wears those? Ballin'. All right, let's see. Dude, I want to make some more damn money in the market today. That's what I want to do. I want to make a little bit more money. Well, that's what we're here for, man. Welcome to Print City. So we're on the verge of being hedgies then? I mean, no, but yes. But no. Because they wouldn't want the algorithms that we have. Like, they wouldn't be able to fully capitalize on them because they have just so much capital to deploy. Looking for a way to remove the human element? I've shown you. Okay, so LKG, I'm not sure if you're in the master tier or not, but tomorrow we're going to go over a lot of the other psychological tips and tricks that I have for you guys to keep yourselves consistent and actually to remove the human element to it. We're going to do a refresher on the 3-minute thigh gap strategy as well for those of you guys that are new into the masterclass. And we're going to kind of get you guys up to speed and then go into that psychology aspect of it, which I think a lot of you guys are going to find a lot of value in. That's tomorrow night at 6 p.m. So all you new guys too that are hopping into master, remember, all you got to do is go to your subscriptions page on platform and hop in. You don't have to reach out to Diana anymore and you guys are good to go. Looking tremendously tan. Yeah, I know. My face is falling off itself right now. So I have a shitload of Aquaphor on my forehead, but it's like almost not helping at this point. So I think we're just going to have to fucking deal with it, you know? We also play options. Most algorithms I lose by hedge funds rely on stocks. They'll hedge with futures and stuff. Like if they're running like a basis trade algorithm, like what they'll do is so a little fun fact for you guys. There's a lot of different algorithmic strategies that you can use. There's one with like a tree. I forget what it's called. It's like a decision tree that it goes through. That's craziness. That takes a lot of like craziness to develop. But what a lot of people do is what's called a basis trade, where it's pretty much market neutral, which is a lot of what these funds are doing that are running big money, and they're just playing for like pennies, like 1-2%. So what they do is there are some instances where the futures prices and the actual price of like let's say Bitcoin are kind of out of whack, and there's like an arbitrage opportunity. So there are instances where you can go short the future, long the underlying, and then when they converge on expiration, there's a spread. So the only thing that you have to deal with is counterparty risk, meaning that the other side of the trade doesn't deliver on their obligation, which is relatively rare. It's possible, but it's relatively rare that that does happen. So, or you could go short Bitcoin, long the future, and when they converge on expiration, there's a spread in there that you make. That's what a lot of these algorithms do. And it's a pretty cool thing that these funds are doing. And there are websites out there that show you when these opportunities are out there and you can take advantage of them for yourself. But you're going to make like 2 or 3% maybe in like 6 months. So is that something that you want to do? Probably not. If you're running a large fund, it's a great way to just kind of hit that low hanging fruit and make some money. You need to use aloe. Yeah, I was using it for a bunch. Now the Aquaphor was actually better though. The Aquaphor was actually better. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We got 15 minutes to go until open. Gabe's probably coming live for all of you masterclass people coming in soon. Oh my God, Diamond Ape. Yep, that's me. Let's see. Like get an aloe plant? I'm not getting a plant. I'm bad at plants. I forget to water them. But yeah, these next few days are probably just going to be me shedding like a snake. Just like snake. Just like shed all the skin. They don't need much water. They probably need sunlight. And I mean, I have that, but like, no. All right. Spy moving back up off this 3-minute 200. 14 minutes to go until open here, team. Dude, if you guys somehow run it up to 150 likes before open, that's going to be insane. There's like 75 of you guys, almost 100 of you that still haven't hit it yet. Your wife kept from peeling after really bad sunburn with just aloe. Your cousin did as well. All right. Well, maybe I need to go get some, but I think the ship has sailed. Like I genuinely think the Aquaphor helped. Like my nose isn't peeling. Like it's crusty, but it's not peeling. But when I was on Accutane, I used a bunch of Aquaphor and that shit worked. Dude, Accutane's the worst. That sucked. It's like cancer medication. That's essentially what it is. Like that's what Accutane was originally used for. Cancer medication, I think. That shit sucked. I had like nosebleeds and shit. That was not fun. My acne it was bad, but it wasn't like crazy. Accutane. Yeah, dude, that shit was wild. They also told me, even though when my skin was fine, they were like, yeah, we want you to be on it for like another 6 months. And I was like, yeah, no, it's going to be summer and it's also my birthday and fuck off. That's what I had to say. You got blue cold aloe in the fridge. There you go, Leo. It's never late for aloe. Okay. You can't have kids for a few years and give blood. It raises the risk of depression. Does it? Oh, I think it does. Yeah. And then, yeah, you can't get blood. You also can't get pregnant. That was hard for me. I had to make sure that I didn't like have. I'm just kidding. If you're a girl, I think you have to get like pregnancy tests like all the time to make sure you're not pregnant. That stuff was wild though. Like it just sucked. Your body hurts all the time. Let's see. Yeah, I'll go. We could try and do that. Let's see. Let's see. They made a new pregnancy test. She was like 15. Dude, that's crazy. Let's see. Fruit of the earth out and lidocaine. All right, I'll go to CVS during my break today and get some. YOLO. Because I have some, but it's like it like worked, but it didn't, you know? Like it's still like the only thing that made my face not feel like leather was the Aquaphor, but like now I'm kind of fucked. It's like up here by my hairline that's getting me. So we'll see. We'll see how this goes today. I don't know. We'll probably be fine. I'm not going to die. That was kind of my whole thought process of like just getting toasted by the sun. I'm not going to die. I'll be fine. I'll live. Little bit of pain is good. What am I, a bitch? No. I'll be fine. I'll be all right. All right, guys. Let's see. Yeah, about 11 minutes to go until open here. That's what you use? Oh, cool. Okay, I'll see if I can pick some of that up. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. Pain is weakness leaving the body. Bro, I had like a football coach. Oh, my God. I've never told you guys this story. Oh my God. My football coach, my freshman year of high school, was perked out every single day. Coach Brown. Dude, perked out. You know why? He had like a bunch of rods in his back or something, and he couldn't walk around very well. So this dude was just on Percocets, just coaching a bunch of 14-year-olds. I forgot about that, dude. I just remembered this. I forgot, dude. My life has been weird. Yeah, he was just off the perkies. Like, all right, man, go for it. Sometimes he would just be sitting around. He'd be like, "You all right?" He's like, "Yeah." All right, team. All right. It's getting a little hot in here too. I'm gonna throw the AC on really quickly, guys. Give me like 2 seconds here. Again, all of you guys on the outside here, your first month in the platform is $5. Here you guys go. Use code Print City. Make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in too. Give me like 2 seconds here. I just got to turn the AC on. Good afternoon, lady. Just don't try the hot shower trick for and it hurts so bad. No, it doesn't hurt anymore, Leo. That's the thing. Like I can take showers perfectly fine now. But I did wake up on Sunday and I had to take a shower when it was like peak sunburn, and I was like, "Oh, this is gonna suck so bad." I couldn't really use my blow dryer either because it was like hot air coming. Oh, dude. Doesn't even app to turn on the AC. Must be poor. I can get an app. I just don't care. Also, it's because I'm lazy and I probably can't have any more apps on my phone because it's so old and I ran out of storage, and then it makes it super slow. So that's kind of how it goes. All right, Tessie, what are we looking at? Yeah, nothing crazy. Remember, guys, market open. If anything's moving largely up or down, let me know. Because I will just start hunting. I would say that Nvidia and Tesla are probably going to do it. Netflix is one to look out for too. Same thing with Amazon slipping like this. And then let's go print money in the market and then fuck off, you know? Oh my God, guys. 30 more likes and we're at 150 already. Holy shit, you guys are running it up. I love you guys. Do that on the video later, team. That's going to be crazy. This is a really good one coming out later. For those of you guys that don't know, there's a little Rita video coming out later. I hope you guys are ready for that. Rita might have a new friend coming to play very soon. The hot shower trick works, though. Like, it sucks, but it works. Is this it? The last pump before the death? We will have a better understanding of what the market actually wants to do after the data comes out Wednesday through Friday. So we'll see is kind of how we're looking at that right now. Oh my God. I just opened Twitter and had a fucking aneurysm. People are talking about cost to borrow right now. Like that fucking matters. Okay. Like, oh my Lord. People are so stupid, bro. They just don't get it. They're just leading you to the slaughter. You'll see eventually. A lot of you guys have. A lot of you guys have seen, and you're like, wow, I want to actually make money in the market, not fucking look at useless data. The rest of you guys will get there soon, though. All right, 6 minutes to go until open. You waiting for a pullback? That's not the worst idea in the world. I mean, for day trades, though, I mean, for swing trades, maybe. I mean, I might start hunting to the downside here off these levels. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. So no Ortex check then. If I ever do a Ortex check again, somebody kill me. Somebody kill me. Let's see. Like seriously, somebody just murder me. I hate that shit, dude. Because it's not helping anybody. It's just hurting. Time to spank the market. Howie, let's do it, bro. Let's do it, guys. We have 5 minutes until market open. Here we go. I hope you guys are excited for another great day. Woo, baby. Welcome to Prince City, guys. This is going to be fun. Yesterday was fun. Let's see if we can keep the momentum going into today. Hit some nice thigh gap trades and then be done. Oh, Netflix shark a little there. That's interesting. I mean, you just look at thigh gap here. It's like dead. Netflix is just so if I trade any Netflix today, I'm gonna fuck around with it a little differently than I usually would. Just because like after the scale out, like I'm gonna give that thing a boatload of room after a scale out there. Just a reminder, today might be a chop day before data, so just take profit quickly. Exactly. Ortex is useless. It's not even like useless because we trade momentum. It's useless because it's not actionable data at all. It would predict that move on other data. What move, Mark? What move, Mark? Like CPI? Or are you talking about Ortex? And here's the thing that people don't get. And this is the thing that everybody needs to really understand. If there's an arbitrage opportunity, think about it like this. There's an arbitrage opportunity out there where it makes sense to be short AMC, long ape because of a conversion. What do you think happens to the demand for borrowed shares against the thing that is most likely going to go down when the fucking conversion happens? Huh. I wonder that, bro. I wonder that. Huh. Fucking. Oh my God. What a brilliant idea. Oh, sorry, Mark. CPI. Well, no, that's what I want people to understand too. Like, seriously, how the fuck do you think that? Okay, so it makes sense that there's an arbitrage opportunity. Cool. Ape goes up, AMC goes down. What does that mean for the demand for short shares, for loans of shares on AMC? It's probably going to go way the fuck up. And what does that do to cost to borrow? It makes it go up. So that tells us that the reason why there is a reason for the short interest being so high. Not, oh my God, fucking morons, bro. Maybe I'll start making AMC videos again just to piss people off and just be like, hey, man. Like short ones. Just be like, hey, you're a dumbass. Hey, moron. Like, do you guys realize, like, the logic there? Like, I know you guys understand. But, like, most people don't. They're just like, no, bro. Draw a picture of the moon on the chart. Yeah, I mean, maybe I'll start doing that. Whatever. YOLO. YOLO. Yeah, maybe, dude. Kyle, what up, buddy? How you doing? How's the 5 head? What's the 5 head? What's that? Oh, 4 head? Oh, yeah, it sucks. It's not that bad, though. Kyle, good to see you back in here, though, buddy. Missed you, dude. Been a while? Yeah, where the fuck did you go? You missed out on all the traffic lights, thigh gap, and all the good stuff, bro, if you're not in there anymore. Dude. Welcome back to the very bored AMC update. It sucks. Later. Yeah, dude, exactly. You can't. After Ape, dude, I tried to tell you guys and everybody else. Some people just didn't. Dude, maybe I'll do that. You've been naughty? Oh, boy. But then the other part of me is like, I genuinely don't care, and natural selection is going to take its place because I've done what I can to help, and I also don't want my channel tagged with that nonsense anymore. I just don't. Let's get ready to rumble. Dude, we got some rumble videos coming out later today. We have that Rita video coming out on the channel. I hope you guys are ready. Oh, ding, ding, ding. Market's open. Here we go. Here we go. Amazon keeps dropping. Yeah, guys. All right, now that the market's open, I want you guys to look for stocks that are making large, aggressive moves in one direction or another. Netflix doing its thing. SPY, let's see. Amazon could be an interesting one here if it goes knife land. Let's see. All right, Tessie. Might get some angry AMC converts, though. I mean, fair. All right, Amazon. Whoa, what's the? There's got to be news on Amazon falling like this. Hold on, let me see if I can check the news. Like, what is going on with this thing? Guru fundamental report for Amazon. Unusual approach to streaming continues to pay off 2 hours ago. I mean, you're coming down to a level here at 100. This is looking interesting to me. So Amazon's going to be on my radar here. SPY slipping. Tessie, Nancy sharking around. AMD coming down. Netflix. Okay. Charges UPS returns. Interesting. All right, team. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's get some thigh gap up in this house here. You guys can't see it because the QR code for your $5 for your first month is on the screen, but I'm hunting it. Don't worry. You just want the chart to tell me to short McDonald's? Leo, did you get like food poisoning or something from McDonald's? Like, is that what happened here? Like, what happened there, bud? Like, what happened of you just being like, McDonald's, I want to short it? Did they like fuck up a McGriddle Netflix shooting? I mean, that's not actionable to me, but interesting. You just made more in 1 minute of market open than I make it all day at work. Sorting sin, you absolute monster. Look at the chart. I'm looking at Amazon right now. MCD. What time frame, Leo? 4 hour? Oh, I see that. Yeah, I see what you're saying here. Yeah, I see what you're saying. That's not that bad. I would yeah, okay. That's fair. With McDonald's though, I'd get a lot of time on it. A little slow mover there. Good shit, sorting sin. There you go, buddy. It never goes down. People love fucking Big Macs, bro. I don't know what to tell you. All right. Tessie, not really doing much. Nancy, come down to this level, please. Give me something. AMD, Sharkin, that's good. I like this. I like this. Let's see. So now I'm watching AMD and Amazon. Where's Facebook and Microsoft are the other two. Guys, keep calling out those moves. Nothing on Facebook. Microsoft, it's getting there, but nothing crazy. AMD could get interesting here. Same thing with Amazon. SPY trying to move a little. Okay, let's see. It's better than gold. I bet it is, dude. There's a lot of nasty charts out there. Look at American Waterworks on the weekly. AWK. That chart is the best chart I've ever seen. Like, it never went down. All right, AMD still slipping. SPY hanging on here. Amazon, I don't. We'll see. And now I'll look for AMD. Did this yesterday, dude. Knife, boom. So we'll see what we get here. AI on the move. Yeah, I don't really like those. No, it's up 2.6, but that's not actionable here. I mean, it's elevated with thigh gap. Yeah, Amazon made a nice little rally back up here. Where's SPY still above 410? You got a minute left on this 3-minute candle. Let's see what this wants to do. Astro, it has to do with what we've been talking about in the master classes with the thigh gap. It's so disgusting, bro. Ken Griffin gives $300 million to Harvard University. Apes in shambles. Joe, this Ken Griffin, he's going broke. He's going broke. He's going broke. He just gave $300 million to Harvard. He's fine. All right. Here comes Amanda. Yeah, that was a fucking clean move on Amazon. I don't want that now. Where's Tessie? Okay. Let's see. DraftKings cross up on the 1 hour. Yeah, well, I don't really care about the 1 hour, guys. We've never really cared about the 1 hour. Fucking the risk here is too big. Spy's just flatlined here too. Madoff was a great philanthropist too. Fair point. See, I'm going to stare at this chart and it's just going to fucking rip on me. This is not what I wanted on thigh gap. Like, it flashed too late. AMD. This is one that I'm looking at. AMD is looking interesting. Nancy, too. Nancy at a level here. Chip's getting mollywopped. Coin should be fun to watch this year. Yeah, it definitely will be. Definitely will be. I'm pissed that I kind of bitched out of those swings on it. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Dude, we are 15 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. I'm almost thinking chop day. Like, you guys remember last night when I was talking about the oh shit zone? Amazon's got one more big candle way to get into the oh shit zone. Thigh gap on Meta? Okay. Because Microsoft is looking okay, but Facebook, yeah, it's got a ways to go, but yeah, it could get there. This is now chop. Nancy, if it holds this level, I wouldn't be opposed. Let's see. And no trades for me yet today. Data today? No, nothing really. We got some Fed speakers coming in though. At what is it? 1:30. Goolsby. Let's see what we got here. Finding plays right now is hard. Yeah, it is. It is. Let's see what we got here. Nancy getting hit. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Nancy's just going off a cliff here, bro. It's just cliff diving. Spy slipping a little. Highlighted white on the new charts. It means that it's hunting a traffic light. Let's see. If inflation falls, we'll have to lower interest rates. That makes sense. Spy moving a little. Nancy doing fuck all. Let's see. From the PC news, that's what I was thinking. Let's see if Spy can move a little here. Nancy, little movement. Spy trying to hunt. Spy hunting 410 again. AMD bouncing a little. Yeah, same thing with Nvidia. If it breaks back above 274, maybe you'll get a little move there, but it's really 274.30 here. I mean, you got some consolidation. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Yeah, you're really just watching this 274 to what is it? 274.30 on Nancy there. Baba, nice bounce. Interesting. There goes Nancy. Right back to the level there. Let's see if it wants to break or not. Doesn't want to do it here. Spy's going to need to help it out. Killed John Deere again. Nice. Let's see. Is it wrong to paper trade puts on a video Spies over the 200? No. I mean, I probably wouldn't be paper trading puts right now. This thigh gap on the 3 minutes looking like it wants to get interesting. Nancy close above that level. Let's see if this gets a little pop here. Sweet. Cool. Cool. Nancy looking interesting here. I'm up about 0.5% on the day right now off this little Nancy move that I was hunting. Not bad. Not bad at all. Nice little bounce. You can see it on NVIDIA here. Watch. 1 minute thigh gap. So, guys, I want to give you guys a little bit of a showcasing of thigh gap and how I'm using it. You get this 1 minute back here. Boom. So you get this one. You basically bottom tick NVIDIA running back up. But I don't really like to mess around with the 1 minute. So the 2 minute is really the lowest I'll go. And you get it back like in here when it's starting to run up here. So now it's rejecting back lower. Let's see what happens with it. You got Spy fucking around. Let's see. But, I mean, I believe NVIDIA has 3 minute now. Nah, not yet. It's getting there, though. Shark, Spy down. Where's Facebook? No. I'll watch AMD. Amazon coming back down to 100 here. This could get interesting, guys. Can we just see red? Maybe. All right, guys, I'm throwing the QR code back up on the screen. Everybody gets their first month for over 90% off. You guys would be wild not to take advantage of that offer, man. All right, so you do have Amazon at a level here. Let's see. Chips are not having fun today.
Facebook, nothing. What about Microsoft? It's getting there. It's slowly getting there. It's not necessarily what I want to see. Amazon's the one I really want. But SPY at 410 is going to be tough. And it's the day before data. So it could just be chop zone and we're done for the day, man. That could just be it. Oh, 9 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. Like, look at this on SPY. It's just chopping around. Nancy back to those lows. Amazon back to 100. Like, I don't know about any of this. Nah, this is just chopping. This is just chopping. Dude, it is barely hanging on to 100 here. Barely. Paper trading NVIDIA puts one up, but you don't have thigh gap, though? Yeah, the thigh gap was just a quick reversal. Very, very quick. Ooh. Bro, Amazon slipping down. You could see 90, 99.62 if it breaks 100 here. NVIDIA could get slippy. Let's see. SPY's just pretty much flatline, though. AMD or NVIDIA back up could be nice. Yeah, I scalped it for pennies, bro. I had like a decent position size on it, and I made like lunch money. It was nothing. Tiny moves. It's just scalp city. AMD little move. Where's this? That's not that bad. Where's this? 94.94. Okay. It's just SPY's just fucking around. I don't know if I like this. Microsoft's just been knifing here. Where's AMD's RSI? Yeah, it's cooked to the downside. New high on coin. All right, let's throw up coin over here. Yeah, there goes coin. I wouldn't chase this. But yeah, coin's looking interesting with these Bitcoin moves. What was on this before? Amazon. Amazon was what was on it. Okay. We're just hunting, man. AMC is strong. What's AMC doing? Up 2%, bro. It's fine. I mean, what are you gonna do? Lose your mind? No. Tano. You silly goose. Amazon really flashing 100 here. AMD had a chance to get that dark light on the traffic light or on the thigh gap there. It just didn't get it. Nancy new lows. Honestly, Nancy could still be a decent move later. Back up. Same thing with AMD. Sarcasm. I know, Tano. I know, buddy. Yeah, keep knifing. Keep knifing. Knife harder, bro. Like, more knife. Yeah, watch 99.62 on Amazon. Where's Tessie? Tessie's doing nothing, and I don't like this, where it just chops. And you can see, so I'm not going to take down the QR code again, but thigh gap is painting neutral, so not for me. Not for me. SPY doesn't want to knife at all. SPY doesn't want to do anything right now. This is literally going to be a waiting game. I'm up 0.5%, and I'm just going to let this fucker go. See what happens. Not go. Like, I don't have any positions right now. AMD looking to break 94. Okay. Which one you would prioritize for thigh gap, AMD or NVIDIA? Whatever you're more comfortable trading. I like NVIDIA because it moves quick. But if you want something that moves a little bit slower, I'd go with AMD. I mean, you can see the candles are effectively the same. Like, look at this. 2 up, 2 down, 1 up, 2 up, 2 down, 1 up. It's the same deal. It'll be tasty. Maybe. I don't know. I mean, it's RSI's not so much cooked. AMD's is still. It's getting that thigh gap move. Let's see. The contracts will be cheaper on AMD than NVIDIA. So you can get more of them if you want. Or it just won't matter. You big account people. Let's see. Microsoft starting 2. You got a minute 30 on these 3-minute candles here. Ooh, hold on. Apple shares move lower after report that France eyeing antitrust action, down 0.6. I don't know. Spies in knife land here, dude. Like, this thing could just go, oops, dead, which is not great for any. AMD and NVIDIA starting to scream a little bit. Let's see. I don't like these big candles off on a thigh gap move. I don't like those. Spies in oops land. I'm telling you, like, this could get dangerous here. 10 seconds on these candles. Let's see. Okay. A lot of things ripping up now. That's nice. AMD starting to try and make a move back up here. Let's see what it wants to do. Spy flickering. Nancy screwing around. Love listening to you in the morning. Have a great day. Off to work. Peace. Cedar Creeper. Later, buddy. Let's see what happens here. Trying to make some money today, but there aren't any pullbacks. I mean, these are a lot of things are pulling back. Spy down. The chip's going to start showing some strength here. Are they? I don't know. Nancy moving. Do you use Heikinashi? Nah. I don't like them. Let's see. PC news for chips. Yeah, it's not good, but you never know what they're going to do off of that news. Shark. Let's see. They make chips for so much more than PCs. No, I know. I mean, they're going to get affected by this news. You're just seeing a little consolidation chop here. Spy now slipping. You'll take the puts and calls? Yeah, I'm just watching to see what's going to happen here. Oops. Oops. Let's see. Cool. You spy with your little eye of falling knife. It's 409.50. That's it. Chips are not looking like that bad here. Like they're not. Nancy's looking to break above this 3-minute 13. AMD's looking like it could get a little spicy here. Let's see what happens. It's just fucking about. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do this. We're going to do this. We're going to do this. Cool. Then we're going to do this. Hold on. I'm literally just scalping for pennies here today, guys. Like, it's nothing crazy. I'm up 1.16 off a little AMD bounce. I have a stop set. I'm going to see where this thing wants to go. Giving it a little room. Tomorrow CPI, Gabe Reed incoming. What's up, team? How we doing? Yeah, I've taken 2 trades today, both on chips. So NVIDIA and what do you call it? Hold on. Just NVIDIA and AMD. I've got a stop set on these AMDs. I think this could be a good trade. I'm giving it a little bit of room here. Thigh gap's looking beautiful. So that's essentially where I'm going to leave that stop there. I'm barely I'm scalping for pennies, dude. Yo, tomorrow's CPI. Frosky, yup. Tor, what up, team? Guys, slap the literal living shit out of the like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos. So here, NVIDIA was actually the better play off the thigh gap move. So thigh gap was here. You're getting it here. You get to ride it up. Here comes a little bit of Amanda. All right, I'm going to move this stop. I'm going to keep this tight just because I don't want to be fucking around too much. So stops and profit now. I'd love this to break this 3-minute 13, but my scalp off these lows here is pretty good. But I'm not looking for big moves today. If this goes nuts, perfect, fine. But let's see. Market seems slow today. Yeah, they do seem a little slow. Let's see what SPY wants to do here. I mean, that's a nice little move on these. So NVIDIA was the play versus AMD. Cool, whatever. It's all right. Still made some money. Still up over 1% on the account. Even with the stop set where it is, I think that's going to stay there. Let's see what happens with this. Let's see. It's tight. Like, I left this thing tight. Yeah, they took it. Cool. Up about 1% right now. Take that all day long. That was a great move on NVIDIA, though. If you caught the thigh gap move on Nancy, good for you. That was a better one than AMD. I'm literally scalping for pennies, dude. What time for Trav Guys should be focusing on more on swing trades a couple weeks out or more? Stock Lover, that shows me that you haven't watched my swing trading video, either of them. So I would go watch those. The most recent video on my channel. Guys, I post those videos. You should not be swing trading at all until you've seen those videos. So make sure that you guys go do that. I have another great video coming out tonight about Rita with you guys, so get ready for that. But yeah, man, I mean, it's broken down in the entire video. That's what the whole video is for, questions like that. So make sure that you guys are paying attention over there. And, dude, I like this. I like this Amazon here. You haven't watched it? You're mad? Yeah, guys, you got to watch this video. I can grab the link to it, too. I'll throw it in here. So this is the, let's see. This is the, hold on. Let me grab it. Share. Yeah, here's the link to that swing trading video, guys. Make sure that you guys are watching that before you swing anything. Yeah, AMD sharked there. I mean, I'm fine with this little scalp up to the 13. Give me that. Thank you for the link. No problem. But there's that link for you guys. I mean, make sure, watch that video, drop a like on it. Yeah, I still have a shitload of settled cash left, too, for these moves. I just don't like the SPY. It's a chop day, bro. I might just keep my gains and fucking leave, bro. Like, seriously, like, Amazon looks all right here. The risk is going to be good, but SPY is just banging its head right under this 200. Nancy was a great one up to here. Nice little scalp there. But, like, these things are just sharking themselves. Microsoft, the only thing that's really catching my eye right now is Amazon off these lows. That's really it. Dude, my face is so itchy. Yeah, and again, guys, everybody gets their first month for $5. QR code on the screen. I'll throw that link in the live chat too. Just use code PrinceCity, and you guys are good to go. Also, we have an amazing masterclass prepared for you guys tomorrow night. So those of you guys that are interested in upgrading, there you guys go. Let's see. Aloe, dude. I know. What's this level? Did I help it? James, no, it just fell off. Have I tried Coke? No, I have not tried Coke, and I will not be trying Coke. I don't know. We'll see. You hear Carbonation House? What about Coin? Coin already pumped. I'm not going to touch that. It's already pumped. I would only play that as a reversal move to the downside, which I don't think it's going to really get. Hookers and cocaine. Yeah, I am watching Amazon for a reversal of the upside. Let's see. Gonna walk around aimlessly upstairs while I wait for another ES play. Oh, there you go. All right, here comes SPY a little bit. Let's see if some of these are going to get a little move here. Amazon needs to get back to 100 for it to really make any sense. CRM runners still paying to the downside? Oh, shit. Yeah, I was out of those yesterday. Let's see. Caterpillar. Okay. Take a look at that. Spy teetering a little here. Nothing, bro. Fucking nothing. Scalping for pennies today. Scalping for pennies. Noxzema works well too. I don't know what that is. It sounds terrifying though. Caterpillar, what's up with that? Cat. Let's see. Okay. I mean, you got this nice little reversal move here. I probably wouldn't touch any of this right now. Spy right back down. Sounds like a Harry Potter. Just jack 20.8% on Ford. There you go. Amazon knife. Spy fucking around. Okay, let's see. Spy shark. Amazon's having no fun today. Oops. Let's see. Is SPX futures? No. SPX is the index. ES is futures. SPY's the ETF. SPX is the actual index. Cootie, stop it. Bad Cootie. Bad Cootie. Don't you be misbehaving over here, Cootie. Spy trying to move back up a little. These things are just getting fucked. No, the Spy's just in chop land, bro. Do I trade any crypto at all? No. I might start though. I might start. Let's see what we get here. Let's see, SPY. Nope, doesn't want it. Amazon doing its thing. Yeah, we got about 15 minutes left on the stream. Let's see what we get here. Solana on the daily. What's the hold on? Let's see. I mean, it's got a traffic light. I would almost wait for a retest here, but yeah, that doesn't look too terrible. Nah, slippage here. Throw some of those sun rays you absorbed into the market. I'll do my best, bro, but that's going to be difficult. Let's see what we get here. Or maybe you did with all this red. Not really. Not really. Nah, Amazon's just fucking around doing nothing. SPY teetering. I mean, dude, this is just chop land. Slow, slow, slow. Tank Top Tuesday. I'm keeping your 1% and heading out. Have an awesome day, SCV and team. I will. You too, Kelly. You too, buddy. Amazon chart looks like it got sunburnt. It did. It does look like that. It do. SPY headed back up. Let's see. You saw an interesting meta bounce. Let's look at meta. Oh my Lord. Oh, Facebook with a candle. Oh my Lord. SPY with a little bit of movement here. Amazon with a little spice off the lows. Think you're calling it? Got to get ready for a meeting anyway. Later, gang. Later, buddy. SPY rejected that 3-minute 13. Let's see. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Nah, coming back down. Girls had a good morning. Ooh. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys are ready for that video about Rita later today. That's going to be super fun. Did Ford I don't think so. I'm not watching that though. Little SPY pumpy here would be interesting. Just bloop. I don't know if it's going to be able to do it though. Dixie's popping. That's not necessarily what you want to see. SPY trying a little. You think SPY's about to pump? If it can break this 200 here, yeah, maybe. Dixie's trying. Okay. All right, let's see what we get here. SPY. Hello. Trying. It's just rejecting this 3-minute 48 here. Oh, they halted production in February. Interesting that they're putting that news out now. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We are almost at 100 today. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate that. Let's see. SPY getting a little juicy here. Amazing. Amazing. All right. So I did a thing. I'm now up 2% on the day. Wait, that doesn't look right. Now it's flashing around 2.3. It's flashing wildly all over the place. I don't know what the fuck this is doing. But let's see what happens here. I've got a stop set. Gonna let these fuckers go. See what happens. You think CPI might be good tomorrow? Yeah. Well, we'll see. Yeah, I'm up. Wait, that's 1.6 now. I don't know what Weeble's doing, but yeah, I was like, that doesn't seem right. It kept flashing like 2.6 and like 0.4. And I was like, that's nonsense. But I'm up 1.6 right now on the day. Easy money, man. SPY little breakout there. What do you guys think I did? I'm literally scalping for pennies. Like, guys, I want you guys to realize this here. I'm up over 1.6% on my account today. I've taken 3 trades and none of them have gone up over 10%. None of them. I'm just scalp. Quick. This trade would actually been a lot better if I didn't put that limit order where it was, but that was a good one. Scalp the thigh gap on the SPY. Nice. Yeah, SPY's hunting a 3-minute traffic light here. Yeah, I mean, this is like almost irrelevant to me. Like, this money that I have in this trade is fucking irrelevant. So I might as well just sell it, you know? Like, it really is irrelevant. Yeah, I don't really give a shit about this anymore. I don't care. Give me my money back. Give me my money back. Thank you. What am I up today? 1.63. Done. None of it. No more. I don't like today. It's just too choppy. So scalped it for pennies. That's all I wanted. I traded Nvidia, AMD, and then Amazon on this. Bloop. So easy money, guys. Not that hard. Thigh gap for the win. Running a strangle on SPY. Just closed 30% on AMD puts. Why do you have a strangle on SPY? Okay, if you're gonna try and gamble on CPI, you don't buy the strangle the day before. You want to buy it basically as close to the time that the event's gonna happen, because your strangle can get out of whack. Because let's say you're putting brackets on it like this, and the price is in the middle, it can go like this. So then it could have your puts or calls be up and then wick the other way, and then you're both fucked. So that's Daniel. That's a bit it's a bit risky there. But team, it is 10:29 in the morning. That is going to be wrapping it up for us here. Guys, I'm throwing the link to the platform in the live chat right now. Remember, everybody gets over 90% off their first month. You'd be crazy to not come in for that offer. Use code PrinceCity. All of you guys also, if you want to upgrade to the master tier in order to get those master classes with Gabe in the morning, me tomorrow night, us both on Sunday, thigh gap, everything else that we have coming for you guys, make sure that you guys do that. But team, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the way out, I do have an amazing video prepared for you guys later about Rita. So make sure you guys have notifications for this channel turned on. We're going to be posted on Rumble a little bit earlier. But other than that, guys, it looks like Chop City today. You are getting a little bit of a move here on the SPY. I'm done trading for the day, up a nice 1.6. I was up 2 point something yesterday. I mean, I'm done, guys. I don't need any more than that. So team, I will see you guys over there on Gabe's live stream. Peace.